Okay, we know that 2 to the a times 2 to the b is 2 to the a plus b. Use the above fact to explain why 2 to the negative 3 is 1 over 2 cubed. Okay, well, 2 to the a times 2 to the b equals 2 to the a plus b. Well, let's look at 2 cubed times 2 to the negative 3. Well, we know that because of the property of multiplying like bases and adding the exponents, this is 2 to the 3 plus negative 3, which is 2 to the 0, which is 1. Okay, so if 2 to the third times 2 to the negative third is 1, well, what kind of numbers do you multiply together to make 1? And the answer is reciprocals. Okay, so that means that 2 to the negative 3 must be the reciprocal of 2 cubed, or 1 over 2 cubed. Okay, another way to explain this would be to use the quotient rule. So for example, let's say I want to do 2 to the second divided by 2 to the fifth. Okay, my quotient rule says that when you're dividing like bases, you can subtract the exponents. So this is 2 to the 2 minus 5, which is 2 to the negative 3. Okay, but another way that I could think of this is to say, well, this is also 2 times 2 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? This is 2 squared over 2 to the fifth. I can do some canceling, cancel, cancel, and what I'm left with is 1 over 2 cubed. So 2 to the negative 3 and 1 over 2 cubed, those are both answers to 2 to the fifth, or 2 squared over 2 to the fifth, so they must be the same thing.